Hi, my name is Lovepreet Singh from Team Enfonica. My student ID is 30365796. Our client wants us to create a POC, that means proof of concept of a video conferencing application. Sprint 1 of our project started on 6th August and lasted a whole month till 6th September. There are 4 members in our group, including myself, Lovepreet Singh, Dakshish Patel as a team leader, Manpreet Kaur, and Twinkle Handa. Each member has contributed around 60 hours a week, which includes study about the designated task and implementation on the project. There are 2 user stories included in Sprint 1. The first user story is, as a user, I want to register myself for the video call so that I can avail the service. The status of this user story is completed, and the second user story is, as a user, I want to join and disconnect the video call so that I can disconnect or connect when I want to. The status of this user story is also completed. So these are the screenshots of the work done in the sprint 1. I had taken the screenshots as an evidence of the progress so far. The reason that we are seeing the same picture on the both screens is that we were trying it on the same network, like we were using the same Wi-Fi. So from Fusion PBX, a single extension was used during this. In the bottom 2 screens, we are seeing 2 blank screens. This is because we were using incognito tab as a second user. The things I have accomplished so far is to learn a number of things that I wasn't familiar with. Firstly, understanding the project and user story is very important. So we also had to make minor changes as per client requirement because client didn't want us to make a login or sign up page. Also, I decided to use JavaScript and as a front end language and Python as a back end language. Sidewise, I get to learn about Google Cloud Console and Diffusion PBX in depth. Finally, I managed to make a demo video application which ran perfectly in my system and my teammate systems also. In order to get our respective domains registered, it is prerequisite to have a good grasp on networking so as to use ports and different protocols. Also, knowledge about HTTP, HTTPS, UDP, TCP is also required. We also learned Python and Java in our course. I had good grasp on core Java concepts, which make it easy for me to learn JavaScript also. So this is how I have revised and also practiced my learning in this project. In this sprint, I got familiar about the technology free switch, which was suggested by our client. I chose Fusion PBX, which is very user friendly and is easy to work on. It can be run on variety of operating systems. It also provides GUI, unlimited extensions, voice to email, music on hold, etc. kind of features. I have learned to install it through the Secure Shell terminal. I have also learned to register the domain and IP addresses in it. Also, multiple users can be registered in the same account with different IP addresses. I have also learned about creating extensions and SIP statuses. In this sprint, there were few shortcomings which needed to be fixed in the next sprint. First of all, I'll work on the layout as currently there are number of buttons which could be removed, which will result in optimization of the application. Moreover, screen layout also needed to be fixed. We need to create external connections as well to perform video call on external network. Also, we were using only single extension. In order to make external connection, we require use of multiple extensions which would be implemented in the next sprint. With this, I have finished. Thanks a lot for listening.